Get ready, because lightning is about to strike. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning. I can do this with my eyes closed. Yeah. Speed. I am speed. No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed. Sweet. Bring it on. I got this. No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed. Nice. Speed. No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed. Yes. You never know if lightning will strike.
Oh, this is like a dream come true. Now, I will be ready as I have never raced before. I make this look so easy. Luigi's Castle and the Dials, do not forget! As I have never raced before. Watch me go! Here we go! Now, I will race as I have never raced before. Watch me go! I am so filled with joy. I am small, yes, but I am very fast.
Later! Yeah, there is nobody better. It is true. It is good to be alive! Oh, I am overjoyed with joy! See you later, Slowpoke! The competition will be no competition. I feel the power. Cool. Let's see what you got. See you later, Slowpoke. Oh, I am overjoyed with joy. The competition will be no competition. An unfair advantage. I am faster than you.
All right, let's do this. Oh yeah. Good job. Gotta say, this never gets old.
I must scream it to the world. My excitement from someplace very high. I am so filled with joy. Fantastical! Now, I see as I have never raced before. I make this look so easy. Watch me go. I am so filled with joy. Here we go! Now, I have never raced before. Watch me go. Here we go! Fantastical! I make this look so easy. As I have never raced before. Fantastical! Watch me go! I have been waiting for this all night.
I was made for this! I feel the power! I am overjoyed with joy! Atun! Let's see what you've got! Let us know, Paul! I feel the power! The competition will be no competition. I am overjoyed with joy! Atun! Let's see what you've got! Oh, I have never been so happy.